Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the difference between CV and resume. Yes, there is a difference. Let me tell you what differentiates CV and resume. First difference is in size, that is length of CV and resume. Resume is of maximum 1 to 2 pages, whereas CV is more than 2 pages, that is lengthy and explained. Second major difference is purpose. Resume is the whole sum of your career, that is summary of your career so far. You don't have to miss some of your experiences, great qualities or traits. You don't have to miss out all them, but it's just a summary of your entire career so far. While in CV, you have to mention all the responsibilities, your achievements in detail. The CV is an academic diary where you include all your academic qualifications, achievements, and certifications. It is universal in nature as it can be updated as you go. Whereas a resume has to be created for each job you are applying for and has a bigger focus on your professional achievements rather than academic. So the differences are a resume is of 1 to 2 pages, whereas the CV can be longer. A resume is used for job hunting in all industries, whereas the CV is used for jobs and admissions in academia. The resume is tailored to the specific job you are applying to, whereas the CV is a comprehensive overview. Now that you know the difference between a CV and a resume, it's up to you to decide which one fits your purposes and job hunting process best. If you are in academic process or research or you are applying for scholarship, you will of course use CV, and resume is wonderful for all sort of jobs.